Hey, what's happening, guys? Dean Millis here, real name Dean Jackson. I'm making this video on, let's see, today's date is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020, and we are living in the COVID-19 era. If you're from Jamaica, yeah, you gotta understand what me I say, because I'm doing this video for Jamaicans and Caribbean nationals especially. Because I realize, you guys need some guidance when it comes on to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. And I know a lot of you are at home right now, not working, thinking of ways to earn money online from your yard. Because, wholeness say, tana your yard, right? And even if you're not in Jamaica, and you're a Jamaican, and you want to know how to earn some extra cash online, I'm just doing this quick video to let you guys know about something happening right now that's been going on that a lot of people haven't been paying attention to, and that is blockchain social media. Now, many of you have heard the term blockchain, right? And you think, what is blockchain? I didn't really want to get into that, but quickly, blockchain is an open ledger and it's transparent. You can't see the transaction them. It's not owned by one sole entity. It's owned by people spread out around the world who have stake, like stocks, shares basically, in the platform, right? In a nutshell, that's what blockchain is. Now, blockchain social media, guys. How can I explain this quickly? On Facebook, you make a post, you get a like. On blockchain social media, you make a post, you get a like. That like issues your tokens, cryptocurrencies, and you can trade that for Bitcoin Cash. So basically, you can make money from your content. Right now, in 2020, this has been going on for about 4 years. Most people don't know about it, wouldn't care about it. And quite frankly, when we tell people about it, enough of them think it's a scam. Them think it's too good to be real. One more thing, guys. Alright, so if you think Bitcoin is a scam, do you think Bitcoin is a scam? If so, pause this video or skip and just move on and go watch the cat jumping over the moon, or some sus or some gossip. Go watch Mouta Massey, go watch Terradan, go watch all of them nice things there for entertain you. But right now I want to teach you how to make some new era assets, new era money. So if that's what you are interested in, then stick around, right? So I've been using blockchain social media for the last 3 years, and I am making money off my posts. Just this week, I made a video. I made $25 in cryptocurrencies. Now that video, it's on YouTube as well. But on YouTube, I do have 1,000 subscribers. But on 3Speak, which is an app on the Hive blockchain, I'm making $25 for a video, right? I made a post about jerk chicken. You're gonna see it just soon. That post made me $10. I made a post about, the lockdown song. Total lockdown, 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 lockdown. I made a post about that, talking about the situation in Jamaica, and I made $5. So this is going on right now. And you just need to sign up right here, so. Right here, I'm going to put the link in the description as well. So you just need to sign up. It's free. I'm not charging nothing. I'm not selling no Bitcoin, nothing like that. It is free for you to use and sign up. And you start making your content just like how you make it on Instagram, just like how you make it on Facebook for the likes. But yeah, so you make cryptocurrency for your content, and you can go trade that for cash if you want to. Now, hear me say no. Me no want to no come here so and just think so, make money gone. Think of the bigger picture. Right now the world changing. Right now, coronavirus pushing all kind of technologies, pushing it upon the people, so they have to use it, right? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency is one of them. Blockchain is one of those technologies that is going to be pushed. And if you get left behind with this, if you come in too late, it's just like eBay. The people them who start eBay a long time, them a make money. The people them who start use Amazon a long time, them a make money. Right? So I'm not saying that if you start too late, you're not making the money, but the earlier you start, the better. And the thing is, a lot of people, especially Jamaicans that I know, and Caribbean nationals, they just want to buy Bitcoin, sit down, wait till Bitcoin to reach 1 million, which may never come. But here I am earning cryptocurrency for my content. Alright? Me I earn crypto for my content right now in 2020, and I've been doing this for 3 years. I tell people about this, it's always too complicated. Guys, anything good in life don't come easy. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use these social media blockchains, especially the Hive blockchain, because that's where I have been most of the time. But there are many others, and I want to show you how to use them, what you can do with them. Right now, disclaimer, here is the thing. Right, I'm in Japan, so there are cryptocurrencies exchanges all about. In Jamaica there aren't that many cryptocurrency exchanges, but there are ways you can transfer, you can change your cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Hivecoin, for cash. There are ways, right? And we're gonna find this out because I know people who do it right now. But the truth is, it's more difficult in Jamaica than it would be to do in America or England or in Japan, you know. But as a Jamaican, you figure shit out, you know how things go. You know what I mean? You figure things out. If you really want to do something, Jamaicans will figure things out, alright? That's how me can there right now. I tell you, right now me I trade for all Bitcoin and all of them things there. Right now, as me do this, I'm gonna say, you know what, I'm gonna come jump in and make a video and show you know what I go on. So take a look in my wallet right here, so because everything transparent. You can see everybody wallet, right? You can see everybody wallet on the network, right? It's free for join. Alright, look in my account. Hive tokens, yeah, it look nice, it look complicated. A lot of you will run away, a lot of you not going to try. But I urge you, if you are working from home right now, or not working from home, and you're looking for something that won't cost you any money to start, this is it, guys. Social media blockchain. And the first one we're going to talk about is the Hive blockchain. Alright, guys, so sign up. It's free. It's going to take a little while, but see the sign up link down there. So see this, I'm going to post it right there, so you can see where the website there, and you go sign up and make sure you have an account. Now, once you sign up, you're going to get whole heap of password. You're not going to get one little password for make for yourself. No, that's a foolishness. You know why? Because we are dealing with cryptocurrency money. So you can't have one little password, 1, 2, 3, 4, your dog name. No. Them give you something called keys. You're gonna get about 5 set of keys. You get the posting key, active key, memo key, owner key, password. All of these things, all of them passwords, they do different things. We call them keys. And it might look like, why I need so much key for? Bridging, a bumper clot money you deal with. Alright? A money you are deal with. David, I get too long. So you must say, no, sign up, it's free. I'm gonna teach you, know. Comment down below if you want to learn how to make money on social media blockchain. If you're serious, comment down below. You know what I mean? Because I don't have to make these videos, but I feel it is my duty to bring the Caribbean into this technology, especially Jamaicans, right? Thank you if you made it this far to the video. Alright, guys, give thanks for watching the video. Sign up, save your keys properly. Save your keys. Alright, guys, don't just put it on your phone, print it out, put it somewhere safe. This is the key to your future. Serious thing, a serious thing, my talk. Alright, guys, sorry for a little, you know, but I'm kind of passionate about the thing, and I don't like how people them just say, yo, they might take the thing for a joke thing when a serious things are going on, and yo, enough people eat a food off of this thing right now. You see me? Right now, people in Australia, not Australia, sorry, in Venezuela, Nigeria, the man them making a living from this, the man them surviving from this, and a lot of Jamaicans might be in the same boat. So this is a way for you to earn some currency at your yard. Turn on your yard, and use blockchain social media. Alright? We're gonna go trade.